What's good, y'all? It's everyone here. You got Kyrie, you got J Boogie. Oh, the one and only Just Kenzie and your boy Mike. Go subscribe. Link in the description. Don't use that.
No. Hey guys, what's up? Here is Kyrie, Jalen, and your boy Mai. He's also vlogging today of our day today, so go and watch his video. The link will be in the description. Yeah. But today we are going to be doing a Guess That Nugget challenge. So we got Jack in the Box.
Talk to him, talk to him.
Yeah.
Come on, Wendy's, man.
Oh, we got Wendy's.
We got the Mickey of the D.
We got Burger King.
So Jalen here is gonna be like the judge person. He's gonna be behind the camera. Yeah, he knows what nugget belongs to what number, because we got all the nuggets lined up and they all have a certain number. So we're gonna taste them all, and then we're gonna have to try and see if we can guess correctly which nugget belongs to which place. So what are you doing?
Sorry, bro. We're sorry.
Yeah,
Under pressure.
Nervous.
What? It got hot.
No, but
You got a whole jacket on.
I do have a whole jacket on. Let's keep going.
Okay, I think I explained everything.
I can almost guarantee I'm not to win this. So
I'm not gonna cap. I think we're all gonna get them right.
I think you guys are gonna get them wrong.
I don't know about me. I ain't never had no Burger King.
All right, let me tell you guys a little quick story time. So here I am, your boy Mai. He just turned 3. All he ate was chicken nuggets.
Jalen not playing. He's oh, that's the story.
That's the story.
Your boy turned 3. All he ate was chicken
he turned 3. Oh, he ate chicken nuggets.
I don't even know, but honestly, don't remember.
No cap, no cap.
Jalen eat chicken nuggets too, but he's not playing.
He is playing.
No,
I'm not playing.
He's not playing.
Why?
I know which one is which.
Okay, yeah, that's
no.
actually.
He's tripping.
You know who else not playing? Me. I ain't playing no games. Let's win. That's it. Let's go. Let's go.
Where's the? Oh, we're also gonna be blindfolded because Miles thinks we should be blindfolded.
Because Miles knows how each one looks.
I know what they
I mean,
look
we
like.
know
I
what
can
they
already
look
see
like
it
right
right
now.
That's McDonald's. Okay, just let me chill.
Yes, yeah.
You're not gonna look what I'm handing you though, so.
Alright.
Don't
Okay.
cheat, Miles. Cover your.
Oh wait, I'll just go like
Is
this.
that everything we need?
Smart, Miles. You're smart, aren't you? Yes, Miles.
Is that everything? Did we cover everything?
Yeah.
Everything covered, everything lit. Let's get it.
Alright, okay.
Alright, y'all ready?
Ooh, okay. This is
Whoa,
weird.
whoa,
What? Stop! Wait, stop!
Yo, Jay, what's
Wait, I got like real.
That was a good frame. That was a good frame.
Bro, the blindfold is scary, bro. I feel on edge.
That was a good frame.
I wish the camera was on. He was like this.
Come on.
I can't put my mask on.
Jay, where's that?
I wait for Cardi to put his mask on.
Jalen!
Alright, I'm on. Let's do good.
Somebody tell your girl, yeah, I'm on one.
I'm so.
Alright, let's start with this. Alright, grab yours in front of you.
Jay, put it in my hand.
hand.
My hand is literally right here.
Okay.
You gotta try it yet?
No.
Wait.
Just take it and hold it, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I need to feel it.
No.
I already picked this
I already know which one this is.
I know what this is.
I feel like I know what this is too.
Maybe we shouldn't feel it,
Let me.
No, we gotta feel it. What the hell?
No, I'm saying like, yeah, pour it like
Pour your
that.
mouth in the cup. Next one.
Yeah.
I got.
I already know what it is.
What?
Do I try it?
Let's just already eat it.
Yeah, go, eat it.
Okay. I think I know.
Oh, wait, wait.
Wait, oh my god. Okay, let's see.
I actually don't know.
I got it.
What's your thought process?
I got it. I'm smelling it.
Talk me through it, Cardi.
Hold up,
Talk through it.
You gotta smell it real quick. I know the oils.
Yo, I actually don't know what this is.
I go to this place all the time. I know what it is.
Okay, now you just gave it away.
Yeah.
You know where I go.
I know what it is now.
I know where
So
3, 2.
Whoa, how are we gonna wait?
Yeah, you gotta ask each person to answer.
I don't ask each one yet.
no. We try to say
We
the
said
same
same
time.
time.
Same time?
Yeah.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Wendy's.
Okay.
Okay.
Everybody thinks Wendy's?
Yeah. Oh wait, I
Don't you
forgot.
look at you with
Wait,
something like
okay.
girl?
Stop. Okay, Okay.
This way I can't feel.
Yeah,
Okay.
just pour it in your mouth.
You gonna pour it in my mouth?
Dang, bro, did you say this? Because you didn't even eat it. She just took a little bite.
Oh yeah. Y'all ate the whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright.
Damn, was that it?
No.
Oh, I was like, that's kind of.
I was moving the old cups. Alright, I'm gonna do this one. Just pour it in your mouth.
Oh,
Okay.
it's bad.
Carrie, you know
Shut up.
Jay, you pour it in my. No, I'm not even gonna say that.
Oh, wait, come on.
Mom. Here.
This boy, can I
Oh,
smell it?
I smelled it.
I know
I smelled
this
it.
is.
Me
I
too.
I know what this
Me
is.
too.
Oh yeah, this is too easy, bro.
Did y'all just
Too easy. Go.
Bro, I didn't realize how distinct really they taste.
Yep.
You know what that is right there.
It's good.
Carrie like he enjoyed
What
it.
it tastes like?
That one's a banger, no cap.
You already know what it tastes like.
I know, but like, what
Alright.
does it taste like?
My
Yeah.
childhood.
Your
get it.
childhood? What do you think it tastes like, Mom?
Good. Let's go.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
What?
What's your answer, Mom?
McDonald's.
Is
He
it
said
McDonald's
Big
or
Jack in the
Jack
Box.
I said McDonald's the first time.
You said McJack
He
in the
said
Box.
Big Jack in the Box. Alright, I got McDonald's.
McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Okay.
McDonald's? Alright, let's do it. Wait, let me see.
I'm loving it.
I'm loving it. I'm going so far and I'm
I
running.
need love.
Stick your hands out.
Okay, I'm scared. What's the last two?
Stick your hands out.
Wait, we have 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a little too easy, just Kenzie.
Just Kenzie.
Miles, first of all, it was your idea to do nuggets.
I don't
I
know
said
the smell.
fries.
I don't know this. I don't know this.
Oh, we can't touch it. Yeah.
Ugh! Oh, I'm sorry. I was not. Oh my god! Oh, I'm not eating that. Ugh! That's Jack in the Box. I never had Jack in the Box. So I
Wait,
already
this
know.
is disgusting.
That's horrible.
Wait.
That is horrible.
What is that?
That's horrible. That's Jack in the Box, bro. I know that's Jack in the Box.
Sit down, you don't know where you go.
Oh my gosh, that was horrible.
Wait, I've had Jack in the Box chicken nuggets. They do not taste like that.
Bro, that has to be Jack in the Box. That was.
Alright, what y'all get?
Jack in the Box.
Okay, Carrie.
Oh my gosh, bro.
I mean, oh my god, what is your name? Mine.
Can we just talk about how Jalen said his own name?
Whoa, he did
I said like 5 different days.
Bro, that's nasty.
Jack in the Box, bro.
Okay, you said Jack, what you say, okay?
I've never had something like that. I have the Jack in the Box because I never had it.
Bro, Jack in the Box nuggets don't
Bro,
taste
that's
like
Jack
that. I
in the
think
No,
they
listen
made
to
them
Miles.
nasty
Don't listen to
today.
Miles. What do you think?
Kyrie, you go.
I'm gonna say that's Burger King.
That's what I'm thinking. Burger King
That's
kinda
Jack in the Box.
nasty.
Alright, because
I know Burger King does not taste like that.
But I Jack in the Box. Oh my god.
Alright, so we got Burger King, Jack in the Box.
That's Jack in
What
the
do you
Box.
say?
Bro, they got Jack in the Box messed up.
That was horrible.
Y'all all said it.
Wait, y'all all couldn't eat it?
They all said it.
Yeah, I
That
can't
was
eat that.
disgusting.
Man.
Like, what did they do to it? Okay. I'm
Alright, what
gonna
they
go.
do?
Oh my god.
My thought process behind this,
At first I was like, alright, but then it was like, oh.
bro, like
Oh god, we was like, wait, what the? I was like,
Miles put
wait.
his out. They both put theirs out.
Burger King. It's in the name, Burger King. Like they good at burgers. Chicken nuggets. That's not it.
Yeah, it's Jack in the Box. You know, they gotta keep that in the.
Wait.
No.
In the box.
I said lit box.
Alright, Mackenzie, we waiting on you.
Mackenzie, let's go, man.
Come on.
Just make your decision.
Alright, you just said it was Burger King. Alright, let's go. Next one.
Burger King,
So
going
obviously my next one's gonna be Burger King.
You going Burger King? I mean, Mackenzie?
Lay it on me.
My last one is Burger King.
Wait, am I able to change my answer?
No.
Nope.
No.
Once you take this one, you can't change it.
I don't make the rules like that.
First of all, Kyrie,
You
that
already
didn't
chose.
make sense.
Alright, we going?
What if I
Yeah.
taste this?
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Oh, man. Oh, shit. Oh!
Mom, what's wrong with you,
Bro, these are horrible.
It's because they cold down.
But like, this one tastes as bad as the other one.
This my bar. I'm not gonna
Yeah. This not. What's wrong?
Bruh, I don't know.
He don't like.
Yeah, drink some of that water.
McDonald's. He don't know where his water
Then
is.
drink that water. I'll hand it to you. That's
Can I get some of this tea too?
Well, I'm done with this challenge now. I'm opening.
Oh, you guys,
Yeah,
you guys can open it now. There's no more.
Oh,
yeah.
Mackenzie,
This
you're gonna have to blur me out because I was spitting this shit out.
I spit it
Carrie, you took your
out.
mouse score.
No.
That was 4?
Yeah, that was the last one.
That was Burger King.
No, this
I'll
Jackson
tell you
box.
which one was which. You guys gotta choose.
This Jackson box. So this one was good.
Okay, what do you say?
I can't change my answer, so it's Jackson's
Yeah.
box.
No, what do you think? If you want to change it, you can change it. I'll let you change it.
This hard, Kyrie. You might as well take what you got.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick it.
Nah, bro, that's Burger King.
Wait.
The first one was Jack in the Crack, and then this one was Burger King.
He's biased, so.
Both of them were that.
Tossed up, but I'm just there with my answer.
So you saying that one was what? Jack in the Box?
That's why I'm looking at this one.
Okay, no,
Nah,
you can't
don't-
look at it and
don't
change your
look at
answer.
it.
Okay, well I guess I can't change my answer. Alright.
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 I don't honestly
So
don't-
you both have the same answer.
Excuse me?
basically.
Huh?
What you say?
I said I don't remember what order I gave them to you guys. And honestly, I was just grabbing
I
them.
thought you wrote them down.
I wrote them down which one was which, so I know which one you guys got right, which one you guys got wrong.
Jalen.
Hey.
No, I know the order it was.
Yeah. Okay. The first one you guys all
It was
said
Wendy's.
was Wendy's.
Yeah, it was Wendy's. You said Wendy's.
Yeah, what's
Yeah,
Wendy's?
sure.
We all said Wendy's.
Y'all say Wendy's.
Yeah.
All right, that was right. That was right. That was right.
Obvious.
First one was Wendy's.
Yo, Wendy's.
Wendy's.
I love y'all.
Wendy's.
What y'all?
Wendy's.
Y'all brought the spicy chicken nuggets back.
Yeah.
So I give y'all a point. 1-1-1. That'll be a point.
I'm gonna win.
I feel like mine might be right. I'm not
All right,
We right. We right.
Oh, you guys had the exact same answers the whole time.
Yeah.
So either Miles go with or y'all go with.
Who you guys
We
believe,
right, we
man?
right.
I've been eating
That-
chicken nuggets my whole life.
Oh,
That third one was disgusting. It Happy Jack. I mean.
All right.
Yeah,
Burger King.
exactly.
No, Burger King.
All right. What y'all
Okay.
say? What y'all say the second one was?
McDonald's.
Yeah, that
That's
was-
easy.
that was-
that
That was down. All right. This is where it gets tricky. What y'all say number 3 was?
Wait, I said Jack in the Box,
You
right?
said Jack.
Yeah, that was
you
Jack.
said Jack in the Box. You guys said Burger King, right? Right.
yeah.
I was right. I already know I was right.
So you got Jack in the Box.
Dylan trying to be bad. Hey.
I'm like American Idol.
Who is it?
Yo.
No.
Wait.
What one did you say?
I said it was Jack in the Box, the third one. Third one's Jack in the Box, right?
No,
No, it was not. No, it was not. You're lying, sir. You're lying. I know you're lying. You're lying. No, bro. I know it's a lie. That's a lie. That was
That
definitely.
stuff was
Bruh.
nasty.
Nah,
It was
Bro, open
Burger
and taste it. Open and
King.
taste it.
That's all
Come
we
on.
said.
That was the last one. Look, you got 8 nuggets. You got like 7 left in here. That was the last one.
Let me taste
Okay.
that again.
That was Burger King.
Only.
No, don't taste that one again. That was Burger
It's
King.
good. It's good.
That was
You
Burger
like
King.
Burger King. This young. This young.
Nah, bro.
This you.
That's alright.
So
You
you-
said the order, I guess, bro.
You can tell me I'm lying. Taste it.
And you like this.
No, I'm not gonna count. I'm not gonna count. The spicy ones of these were. Oh, wait, this looks good.
Taste it.
Oh, this is good.
This is good. You
This is
spit
Wendy's.
You said it was nasty.
You spit it out.
You said, what is this?
Oh, that was not the
It's
joke.
because I was blindfolded.
Y'all all spit it out.
Yo, alright, so
Well, you didn't like it during the video.
that was me and McKinley won.
Yeah.
We did a tiebreaker.
No, you
Yeah.
We had a tiebreaker. Put your blindfolds back on.
My bad.
Wait, we gonna taste the same one?
Yes.
But we already know what it tastes
No,
like.
you don't.
Maybe you might get bamboozled.
No, I'm just kidding. I don't know how to do a tiebreaker.
No, you got this one.
We have to
I
fight.
got some in my cookie.
You guys, how about the losers just has? Why am I doing this towards myself?
Yeah, you just said the loser.
We're talking about this Burger King was good.
Give me a dare or something to do.
Damn, you eat anything, bro.
Yeah, right. It was good.
Miles, you spit it out. It was nasty.
I don't know why. That one was just.
Yo,
nasty.
Burger King,
It
like,
was,
I
it
used to
was
eat y'all
nasty.
nuggets. What happened? What happened?
No, bro. They have like this
Ew, why-
spicy.
why-
No, bro.
No, bro. Me and Kyrie are the winners. Miles' favorite place is Burger King, and he spit it out.
That's
Tried to
okay.
say it was Jack in the Box.
Don't say that's my favorite place. That's not my favorite place.
He was like, I know Burger King. I know.
I know Burger King. I know.
Okay. Yeah, here's the thing. I never had Jack in the Box, so I was like, that doesn't taste like Burger King. So I was like, yeah.
So, this is an experiment.
Alright, y'all. We're done with the video. You know, make sure you like, We need what? At least 20?
20 likes.
20 likes.
Hey. Dang! Hit the wall. Nico, you were just
We
outside.
gotta redo this again.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you want to see me and Mackenzie have a rematch to see who the winner will be, it should be me. We're gonna need at least 20 likes. You know?
Dang,
Miles is out.
right out.
Maybe Jalen might join us for the next one. You know, like, subscribe, comment, all that, share. Go check out Miles' video too.
Yeah, go check
support
out Miles'
Mackenzie.
vlog. Miles, you are doing
All
a
that.
video.
So until next time.
Pass the point.
Bible.
Then no do no be away.
Big enough to no be away.
Guess what we're
Harry
cooking?
down for a dance battle.
I'm not down for a dance battle.
That was funny. Y'all really was spitting in my home.
That was
Spelling bee.
Jay, drink this.
All right.